Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenges of HackerRank, and this programming challenge name is More on Conditionals. Okay, in this programming challenge, we will get three input. Okay, in these three input, we have to find it out about equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangle. Okay, equilateral is happen when all three are equal. Isosceles is happen whenever any two out of three, any two are equal, and scalene is happening when none of the three is equal. Okay, and after that we will print that with the help of an echo command, that which one it is, either it is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. So let's start. Okay, first of all, I am going to accept three input. Let's say read, I will give X or A. I will give it as A. It will be very much comfortable for me. Read B. Third one is read C. After that, I am going to use if logic. Now here I am not going to use hyphen A or hyphen O, which you have seen the work in my previous video. Here I am going to use the double brace. The benefits of using this double quote, it is an improvement of a single quote in which we can use and or operation. Okay, let's see how we are going to implement this one. See, this type of symbol we can't use in a single quote. We have to use you can use this type of thing in a double quotes only. That's why I have implemented this double quotes. Okay. Now double A equal double, dollar equal to dollar B, dollar B equal to dollar C. So that makes that all three are equal. So this one will become equilateral. Now dollar A equal dollar B and dollar B not equal to dollar C. So 2 is equal, 1 is not equal. Or dollar A equal dollar C and dollar B not equal dollar C. Again, or dollar A dollar B equal dollar C and dollar A not equal dollar C. Now let's understand this if logic. Here I have written $a equal to $b and $b not equal to $c. So two sides are equal, one is not equal. Again, I am checking that one. If A and C is equal and B is not equal to C. So any two sides, and last one is B is equal to C and A is not equal to C. So in all those three, I have catch all the patterns, or you can say all the criteria for to be fixed isosceles triangle. The rule of isosceles is that in three values, any of the two sides it will be equal. So if you watch my if logic, here I have catch that if any two fields are equal and third one is not equal, then it will become isosceles. So in this if logic, it will match all the criteria. Okay, now then here I am going to write else. See, if $a equal to $b and $c, three are equal, then it will be equilateral. If any two sides are equal, then it will become isosceles. And if neither of 1, 2 or 3 are equal, then it will become scalene. I think it's completed, but I think it's better for, yeah, it's completed. Now let's save the code. Okay, permission given, executable. Let's execute now. First one I will give 10, after that 20, after that 30. Syntax error, token else, 15 number. Let's see what's the error. Set a new command to provide a line number. 15 number, here it is written ELIF. After that, and okay, I have done a mistake here. First of all, let's give a command here, and here I am going to write, I forgot to write complete this one, and I moved into the next one. Done. Now let's try execute again. 10, 20, 30. Missing. What it is missing? Missing line number 3. I'm missing something. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got it. Here I am missing one quote. Let's clear the screen first. Now let's try 10, 20, 10, 20 and 20. 2 is equal, 1 is not equal. Isosceles. Now what if first one is I will give as, that's 15, second one is I will give as 25 and again 15. Now let's see, again isosceles because 2 is equal, 1 is not equal. I will try one more time, and this time what I will do, I will give this one 30, 30 and this one is 12. Okay, it should come as isosceles but did not came like that. That means I have done a mistake. Let's go back to the command and see. This one is creating a problem. I have not completed this one. I think $a equal to $b. Okay, $a equal to $b and $b equal to $c. Now I got it. This is the problem. I have matched only like $a equal to $b and $c. So it did not work like that. A equal to b and b equal to c, then it will be equilateral triangle. Let's try again one more time. Okay, first of all I will clear this screen. Here first of all I will give 20, 20. Isosceles. Now what about 20? Okay, my mistake. 20, 10, 20. Again isosceles. Now Here again I will give something like that 35, and here 15 and 15 isosceles. Right, now let's give 10, 10 and 10 equilateral, and if I will give something like that 12, 13, 14 scalene triangle. So the programming, the shell script that I have written, it is working perfectly fine for this this programming challenge. And you understood also why I'm using double quote, because only double quote I can use AND operator, and or if I won't use this one, then it won't work. It will throw an exception, and it lets me show you that what exception it should throw. For example, let's go to VIM, and let's say instead of that I'm going to here only use 1 instead of 2. Then what happens? Okay, let's now you can see that only single quote I am using. So what I will do, escape. Now let's clear the screen. $10, $20, $30. Now you can see that it is through an exception, because whenever you're using AND operators like that, AND operator or double pipe symbol for OR operator or symbol, in that scenario you have to provide double quote. That will help us to Unix, that is the extension of the single quote. To that it will provide to evaluate this value. But there is alternate option also that you can do, that if you don't want to use double quote, then instead of like this, you can also write like this, means, and I can implement this one -a, and here -o, -a, and this one became -o, again -a. So if you wanted to use single quote, then you have to use this command -a for AND and -o for OR. I think I have done this one. Now let's save and execute again. 10, 20, 30. Too many arguments. So it is saying too many arguments. So the only way to do that is to use, let's see, set new. So line number 13 is too many arguments, so it is way too much arguments to interpret, and if you have to add these many arguments, you can't reduce the argument if you wanted to figure it out the isosceles. So it will be preferable that I will use double only. Right now only that is the option I have. Okay. So let's see if I will not change the symbol -a and -o, it will work or not. Let's try that. I'm also just seeing different ways to solve the problem. See, syntax error in conditional, syntax error near -a. So I don't think so it is going to work. For that I have to use AND operator and pipe symbol only. So let's do that. Let's clear the screen first, that will be better. 10, 20, 30. Scalene. Now if I will give equal, then 10, 20, 10. Equilateral. If I will give one side is equal, another one is again 10. Isosceles. So now we understood how to solve this programming challenges of HackerRank and why we are using double quotes instead of a single one. Okay, now this is the end of the video. Again, in the next video, I'm going to solve another one of the important programming challenge of HackerRank. If you do have any type of doubt or feedback, please write it in the comment section. I will try to reply as early as possible. And if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for the regularly updates, and all the practice code I will provide it in the GitHub and GitHub link I will give in the description section. So stay tuned and keep watching ADHYAN channel. Thank you.